morning, ladies and gentlemen. Are you exhausted of having to cut your extensive lawn with garden scissors?
These garden scissors don't work for anything at all. All this trouble and stress, it's not worth it. I need something better. Dios mío, ayúdame.
Oye, compadre, why the long face?
It's these garden scissors. I can't cut the grass with them.
Bulls Yahweh! Get yourself a Buddings lawnmower from Yahweh Lawn Mowing Industries. It's the best of the best!
Sale, güey. I'll get it right now.
This special lawnmower helps you save time and work from cutting your lawn to get the best looking lawn out of your neighborhood. Like this guy.
Wow, this lawnmower actually does. Thank you, Yahweh, for giving me this special lawnmower to make my grass look even better.
You're welcome.
This simple but effective product is only $19.99 British pounds.
What a steal.
Warning! Do not insert hands into blades. Do not insert feet into blades. Do not run over people. Do not try to cut the cement with the lawnmower. Do not lift the lawnmower, or this will happen.
Are you tired of being in the sun for too long just to mow your lawn?
Yes, what can I do about this?
With Yahweh, get yourself a lawnmower from Yahweh Industries. Introducing the new X-Pro 20 Yahweh lawnmower. This new and improved lawnmower has a V8 horsepower engine with the 7-inch steel blades. This new and improved lawnmower helps you save time and gas. You can own this new beauty for the low cost of $125.99.
Head over to www.yahwehlawnmowers.com or call 1-800-3-YAHWEH to own yours today. Shipping and handling is always free. But don't stop there. If you call now, you could get yourself a free rake. Yahweh! Special thanks to Isabel for letting us use her lawnmower. You're taking too long, Julie.
Go. Oh, never mind.